Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: a Microsoft Learn account, a government ID for verification, and a working Python 3.10+ environment. Once done, install VS Code and the Python extension so you can run examples locally. Make sure to sign into Microsoft Learn and link a GitHub or OneDrive backup. This saves progress and sample projects. Don't spend time on trivial setup. Verify Python version, run a hello world, and be ready to access the certification learning path immediately. You now follow the official Microsoft Learn Python path and prioritize hands-on labs over passive reading. Work through each module, finish embedded assessments, and push code to Git with clear commits. Once done, build 3 practical projects: a scripting automation, a data processing task, and a minimal web app. These reinforce concepts and appear on your resume. Make sure to use the platform's sandbox environments and request feedback from peers or mentors to solidify understanding. You schedule the certification exam once practice tests show consistent passing. Review the published exam objectives and rerun weak topic labs. Practice under timed conditions. After passing, download the digital certificate, add it to LinkedIn, and attach project links to your resume. If something goes wrong, make sure to check the proctoring logs and score report. Analyze missed objectives and focus study on those modules, then retake after addressing gaps. Keep backups of submissions and receipts for disputes or verification requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.